As enterprise organizations move workloads to the cloud, the question is, how do we secure access to resources in the cloud? The simplest way to do this is to allow the entire IP range of internal corporate network to access all workloads running in the cloud. However, this leads to either A, overprivileged users with access to an entire cloud network, or B, security teams that are unable to keep up with the ever-changing access controls. These static IP-based firewalls act as an impediment to security controls and add work for IT departments. There's a better approach to secure network access. AppGate SDP is a software-defined perimeter solution that enables simple and secure access to the public cloud. With AppGate SDP, the context of each user and their device is automatically and dynamically evaluated before granting network access to the user-authenticated instances and services in a cloud environment. All access is logged and integrated into existing ticketing systems, so regulatory compliance reporting is quick and easy. With AppGate SDP, organizations benefit from consistent, secure access across their entire cloud environment without impeding innovation.